And remember, tuning into your feelings is key because intuition speaks through our emotions, not always through clear, logical thoughts. So becoming more aware of our emotions, really understanding them, strengthens our ability to tap into and use our intuition. And we're going to start by tapping into that intuitive space right now with a guided meditation. We call this one tuning in to the voice within. So if you're somewhere where you can get comfortable, go ahead and do that, whether it's sitting or lying down, and just make sure you won't be disturbed for the next few minutes.
Just give yourself this time to really go inward.
Exactly. So let your hands rest wherever feels natural, and if it feels good to you, you can close your eyes or just soften your gaze.
Just allowing yourself to relax.
And take a nice deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly and gently through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, release any tension that you might be holding on to, any worries or distractions that are kind of hanging around. Just let them go with that breath.
Really sinking into this present moment.
Yeah, bring your awareness to your physical body. Just notice how your shoulders feel and consciously let them relax. Drop any tension that you're carrying there. Let your jaw soften. Release any tightness in your forehead between your eyebrows. And on your next inhale, just feel your belly gently rise and soften. Allow your whole body to feel supported and grounded, as if the surface beneath you is just cradling you completely.
There's nowhere else you need to be, nothing else you need to do.
Exactly, just being present with this gentle, quiet awareness. Now gently bring your focus to the center of your chest, your heart space, and imagine a soft, warm light beginning to glow there. This light represents the very essence of your intuition, your deepest connection to Source, that wise part of you that always knows and always guides. And as you continue to breathe softly, just feel this light gradually expanding outward. With each inhale, it feels a little bit warmer. With each exhale, it radiates a little bit brighter. Filling your chest, your shoulders, your arms.
Really letting that light envelop you.
And as this warm glow surrounds you, you imagine a deep sense of quiet stillness starting to settle within your mind. Thoughts might come and go, but just let them drift by effortlessly, like clouds passing in the sky. No need to hold on to them, analyze them, or judge them. Just observe them and allow whatever arises to be there without resistance.
It's being the observer.
Now gently bring your awareness to the space that resides between your heart and your belly. Just breathe here for a moment, feeling this central point within your body. And in your mind, very softly, ask yourself this question: what is it I most need to hear right now? No need to force an answer or strain to hear anything specific. Just stay open and receptive to whatever arises. Your inner wisdom might communicate through words that pop into your mind, a feeling in your body, an image that appears, or just a quiet, unwavering sense of knowing. Whatever comes to you, trust it. And if nothing specific comes immediately, that's perfectly okay. You're simply opening the channel, creating the space for the message to arrive in its own perfect timing.
It's about being open to receiving.
And if it feels right to you, repeat silently to yourself or even aloud, I am open to receding. I trust my inner voice. Just pause here for a few breaths. Continuing to listen to the quiet, continuing to allow whatever wants to emerge. Now bring to mind a specific time in your life when you followed your intuition, a moment when you just knew what to do, even if it didn't make logical sense at the time. Take a moment to vividly recall how that felt within your body. Was it an inner sense of yes? A feeling of quiet clarity, a grounded confidence that settled over you?
Really feeling into that memory.
Allow that feeling to resurface and expand within your heart space. Really hold on to that sensation. And now gently say to yourself, that voice is always within me. I know how to hear it.
Bringing it back to the present moment.
Remember that even when the external world feels noisy and chaotic, and even when fear tries to creep in, your inner guidance is always there. It might be speaking softly, patiently, waiting for you to turn your attention back towards it.
It's always there waiting for us to tune in.
Now let's begin to deepen our breath once more. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing your awareness back to your physical sensations, back to the space you're in. And when you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this quiet knowing, this connection to your inner wisdom with you as you move through the rest of your day. Remember, you are wise, you are guided, and you are never truly alone.